Well, another snowstorm here in Ogdensburg, New York, St. Lawrence County. I know all the schools closed today, and bingos and stuff are canceled, fish fries. Police officer just went flying down that way in 37. It's only like 19 degrees. I don't know what the wind chill is. I got the old heat cranked right up. I saw two sheriff's car and an Augsburg police just went flying down the road. Hope there's no bad accidents. Going down Champlain Street. Eating cookies from Subway. White chip macadamia nut. I got a buffalo chicken sub, foot long. Pretty good. Yeah, once I get home, I'm in for the night. Was gonna go to the casino, but I'm not gonna risk driving all the way up there. Maybe tomorrow. On 4th Street now. Yeah, I gotta turn that heat down. It's getting hot in this vehicle. I got 4-wheel drive on and still pretty slick. I don't know why all the snow's blowing. I don't know if it's snow blower or... I don't know what the frick... Oh, yeah, it's snow blower. That's the place, the bar. Nadine's Ice Cream. It's pretty good there. Some idiot back there wanted to walk out in front of me. Yeah, I think I'm getting off 4th Street anyways. Good northern New York weather. Poor guy's got to shovel it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn right at this light up here. Unless there are people to deal with. Okay, where's this idiot going? Oh, green. Oh, okay, he's not coming my way. Good. Oh, what that idiot? What is this idiot doing? See how Ogdensburg is? Idiot. know, signaling that way, and I'd start to come around these signals, out. Boat launch down there. See how Washington Street is. Yeah, heat's going off completely. I know the schools got some of them closed the night before last night. OFA didn't, but I think they closed out 3, 4 in the morning. It was on the website. I think the Augsburg Public Library's got to be closed. They'd be stupid to be open. Oof, walking this poor dog out in that cold. My dog's probably made a mess. Well, it's my fault. Yeah, it's closed. That's good. What are you fucking doing? Holy fuck. You see that shit? Frickin' idiot was gonna run that light. Well, I say you slid through it, and it changed at the last minute. Man, that's what happened. Port Royal Drive off. These snowbanks weren't there yesterday. There's Customs House straight ahead. How many inches of snow we got? 10 inches, maybe more. I have no idea. Over and out.